In the vast landscape of technological innovation, few inventions have had as profound an impact as the microprocessor. This small yet powerful piece of technology stands as a testament to human genius and perseverance. Its creation did not happen overnight, but was the result of years, even decades, of relentless pursuit of knowledge and improvement. Technologists, engineers, and visionary thinkers were all instrumental in this pursuit, each contributing a small piece to the grand puzzle that became the microprocessor. The story of its creation begins with the world of massive, room-filling computers, machines that boasted processing power equivalent to that of a modern calculator. These behemoths of technology, intimidating in size and complexity, were the pinnacle of computing power of their time. They were marvels of their era, symbolic of the potential of human innovation. But as with all technological progress, they were just a stepping stone to the next big breakthrough. The innovations that would eventually lead to the creation of the microprocessor were not the result of a single mind or a single vision. They were the cumulative efforts of a multitude of brilliant, dedicated individuals, each with their own unique view of how to advance the field of computing. Among them were John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley, three visionary scientists who would indelibly alter the course of technological history. In 1947, nestled within the walls of Bell Labs, these three scientific pioneers unveiled the transistor. This was not just a device, it was a game changer. The transistor had the ability to amplify electrical signals, a revolutionary feature that would serve as the foundation for the microprocessor. It was a tiny device, but its impact on the world of electronics was monumental. It transformed the field of electronics, opening up possibilities that were previously unfathomable. This invention laid the groundwork for the microprocessor, paving the way for a revolution like never before. The transistor marked the beginning of a new era in electronics. It was the first step in shrinking the size of components while drastically increasing their efficiency. This wasn't just about making machines smaller, it was about making them better, faster, and more reliable. Computing would never be the same again. The transistor was the key that unlocked a world of possibilities, setting the stage for the microprocessor, a device that would take the world by storm. This breakthrough laid the groundwork for a revolution in electronics, shrinking the size of components while increasing their efficiency. Building upon the transistor's success, engineers and scientists continued to push the boundaries of what was possible. Among those who were tirelessly dedicated to this field were the brilliant minds at Intel Corporation, a then nascent but ambitious company that was destined to leave a lasting impact on the landscape of computing. In 1971, following years of meticulous research and development, they cultivated a product that was unlike anything the world had ever seen. Intel Corporation introduced the world's first microprocessor, the Intel 4004. This minuscule chip, a masterstroke of innovation, measured just a fraction of an inch, yet it carried with it the power to shape a new future. With dimensions that belied its capabilities, it in its compact form an astounding 2,000 transistors. These transistors, the very backbone of the device, were packed in close quarters, working in perfect harmony to perform a variety of operations. The 4004 chip was not just an ordinary component. It was a meticulously engineered marvel that could perform basic arithmetic and logical operations. These operations, while fundamental in nature, dictated the overall capability of the microprocessor, and in turn, of the machines that would house it. This monumental breakthrough was more than just an achievement, it was a testament to the sheer brilliance of human ingenuity, and it heralded a new era in computing. The introduction of the microprocessor was a monumental shift, a game changer in the truest of the word. With this groundbreaking invention, computers which were once bulky and costly, became smaller, faster, and more affordable than ever before. The microprocessor catalyzed a transformation in the computing landscape, driving a shift from massive, expensive mainframes to compact, economical personal computers. Suddenly, the immense power of computing was no longer a luxury confined to the corridors of large corporations or government agencies. The democratization of technology in full swing. With the microprocessor, the once distant dream of personal computing became an accessible reality. It was a turning point that paved the way for the personal computer revolution, bringing technology to the fingertips of ordinary people. Now, computing was no longer an elusive concept, but a readily available tool that could be utilized by anyone, regardless of their background or profession. Indeed, the invention of the microprocessor was a game changer. It allowed computers to be smaller, faster, and more affordable than ever before. Suddenly, computing power was no longer confined to large corporations or government agencies. With the microprocessor, it became accessible to ordinary people, paving the way for the personal computer revolution. Today, the legacy of the microprocessor lives on in every facet of our lives. It's a minuscule yet mighty component that runs our digital world. From smartphones that have become an extension of our hands to smart appliances that streamline our daily routine, the microprocessor has left its mark. It orchestrates the symphony of our connected world, turning the cacophonous sounds of data into a harmonious melody, efficiency, and convenience. Consider our automobiles. Entirely transformed by the might of the microprocessor, they are no longer just vehicles, they are smart machines. They manage fuel efficiency, safety systems, and even guide us to our destinations. They are a testament to the marvel of microprocessors, the silent symphony that plays under the of every car. Then there's the realm of medical devices. Pacemakers, insulin pumps, hearing aids. These life-altering, even life-saving, would be mere ideas without the microprocessor. These tiny technological marvels monitor, regulate, and adapt to the needs of patients, providing not just a higher quality of life but often the very essence of life itself. The microprocessor, true marvel of modern engineering. Introduced in the late 20th century, it represented a quantum leap in computing power, in a package so small that it could fit on the tip of your finger. Its creation was birthed from the humble transistor, an invention that sparked an unprecedented technological revolution that continues to shape our world. Its influence isn't limited to just these areas. It's ubiquitous. From the laptop you're working on to the watch on your wrist, from the thermostat controlling your home's temperature to the security system protecting it, every piece of technology we rely on is powered by a microprocessor. Its impact is undeniable, precise, and profound, ushering us into an age of unimaginable technological prowess. As we marvel at the wonders of the digital age, let us not forget the pioneering technological object that made it all possible, the humble transistor and the remarkable journey that led to its ultimate evolution, the microprocessor. Feeling inspired by what you've just seen? Dive deeper into the world of innovation with us by hitting that like button, and if you learned something new today, leave us your comments on the video and subscribe to the Infinite Gadget Quest channel. Join our community of tech enthusiasts and stay tuned for more mind-blowing content coming your way. See you until the next video.